Hello there.
Welcome to the Learning Garage. Now what is the Learning Garage, you say? Well, let me bring you up to speed. Ever since I got my driver's license, I've been into cars, with my baptism into the car community being Summernats. Not a bad place to start if you ask me. Over the years, as my interest and knowledge grew, I started turning to the TV for my daily dosage of mechanical mayhem that got me through long nights studying for university, watching the likes of Gas Monkey Garage, miss you Aaron, West Coast Customs, Car SOS, and Wheeler Dealers. Then, with the rise of YouTube, I turned my attention to the internet, where I could get video on demand for the likes of Mighty Car Mods, Roadkill, Beers for Build, and more recently, discovering Skid Factory and Goon Squad. But then one day not so long ago, things clicked, and I said to myself, why can't I do this myself? And Learning Garage was born. So join me on my journey from car chum to building champ while I share my learnings with you along the way, both here and on Instagram, @Learning Garage.